glitter. It's just every damn way. Hello, Beauty Squad. It's your girl, TeeTee. Welcome back to my channel of all things life, love, and beauty. I hope everyone is staying safe. Hopefully we can get through this pandemic at some point, we'll just say. But until then, your girl is bringing you another review. There's glitter all over my shirt because that's just why I don't mess with glitter a lot of times. I'm playing in my Norvina palette here, so that's why there's glitter all over the place. But today we're going to be reviewing the new Pretty Fresh Foundation from Colourpop. This will be my first time trying foundation from Colourpop. I do like their concealers, so I was actually really interested in trying the foundation. I've heard a lot of good things about their foundations. I just never got around to trying them. So we're going to try these out. We're going to do a wear test, see how they hold up. It's a little warm here in LA. It's going to be about 90 degrees. Excuse me, today. So we're going to put it to the wear test. Before we get into that, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. You are already here. Shout it from the rooftop. Say TeeTee is on. I got to go, because she gives some of the best honest reviews on the tube. Don't forget to comment, like, give me a thumbs up. If you give me a thumbs down, I want to know why. Let's talk about it. We're going to get into this review of Colourpop's new Pretty Fresh Foundation. Stay tuned. All right, so let's get started. So this Pretty Fresh Foundation comes in 42 shades. It's medium to buildable coverage, and y'all, it's only $16. So I bought two because I wasn't sure of the shades, and for the price, you really can't beat that. But here's some information on it. It's a hydrating foundation with skin perfecting medium buildable coverage for natural looking healthy skin. Okay, it has hyaluronic acid, which is known to hydrate and support healthy looking skin, which is important, and it has coconut water, which is known to support hydration and skin softness. Okay, so I got shades oh Jesus, it's hard to read on this. I know I got 147 warm and 155 warm. They do have a foundation match comparable to other brands on their website. I do like that about Colourpop, and a lot of brands are doing that as it comes to foundation, especially these days, since a lot of times we can't go in and test them out anymore. But I think 147 is going to be way too light, a few shades light to me, so I will probably give that one away. And this one is 155W dark, which I think is probably going to be more suited for me. Let me find my foundation brush, because we're going to use a brush to apply this today. If I can find my damn brush. Oh my goodness. Oh, it's right in front of me. So let's see what this looks like. I compared it to my Lancome. Actually, no, I'm sorry. My Double Wear from Estee Lauder, and it looked pretty close to that. So I'm going to shake it, because you definitely should probably shake it. And the only item I'm missing on my face mainly right now is foundation. So we're going to try it. We're going to wear it today. Ooh, okay. That's it. That's about my color. Okay. I like that. Let's try it and see. $16, you can't beat the price. So we're gonna try it, y'all, and we're gonna wear this today, because I'm gonna go. I need some stuff from MAC, because I actually still like MAC's complexion products, their powders. I do like their blushes, so that kind of stuff. I actually want to pick up some that I'm running low on, so I'm going to go in with my Sigma Flat Kabuki F80 brush, and let's just put this on. Okay, I have glitter all over my face and playing with this palette. Okay. I think I'm a... Okay. Not bad. Okay. Okay. Hoping it'll wipe some of this damn glitter away from this Norvina palette. And it's doing actually a pretty good job. That's some good... Okay, look at that. Okay. Not bad, y'all. Okay, we just gonna add a little more because it's all about being extra sometimes. Actually, it's a pretty good match, I'm gonna say. Yeah, it's actually a pretty good match, I'm gonna say. It does almost seem... Here, let's compare it to my double wear, which is right here. And let's just see. I don't think they're too far off. No, they're relatively close. Yeah, they're pretty close. They're actually very close, actually. So, okay, so that little color match, it looks like it helped. It did some good. Okay. It goes on nice. It doesn't have a scent or a smell. Oh, that's always a plus. Okay. Colourpop. I tell you, oh wow, there's a new foundation coming out from Too Faced, the Matte Born This Way. Yeah, looking forward to that one for sure. Okay, let's just take it as far down as I can. Just kind of blend it out. I did prep my skin with the Fenty powder in hazelnut, and yeah, I mean, it looks fine thus far. Thus far. And how it's going to wear, yeah, I guess only time will tell on that one. I'm going to add a little extra to my forehead here. Since it's buildable coverage, okay. Yeah, it's not bad. It's not bad at all. It's actually holding up well so far. Okay. It almost seems dark, but it seems to match my double wear, so it could be all this lighting in here too. So let's just see. Okay. I don't know what y'all think. It's not bad. It's not bad at all. It's not bad coverage at all. Okay. Okay. All right. All right, so here we go. I'm gonna finish up my face. I'm gonna show y'all what time it is, and we're gonna go from there. Stay tuned while I finish up. Okay, so I finished up my look. It is now 12:14 right now, and we are going to run some errands. It's gonna be a few hours. I'm gonna try to stretch out our day to about maybe 5 or 7, somewhere up in there, so we can see how this foundation really wears. So I'm gonna head out now. Here's where I am right now at 12:14. We're gonna see how this is gonna hold. I'll come back, show you what I look like and some final thoughts, and we'll go from there. I'll see you guys later. Okay, Beauty Squad, it's been about 5.5 hours, as it is now 5:37, and I'm gonna say I think it's held up. The Pretty Fresh foundation has held up well. I'm oily, so my skin will always just be oily no matter what. And I did add powder, so it's not as bad as I thought it was, or how it normally is, but it actually held up pretty well for 5.5 hours outdoors, inside. I mean, not bad, not bad. Now, I think it'll work. I do think it'll work for oily skin. I definitely know it'll work for my better half, for dry skin for sure, but for my oily girls, yeah, I think this is gonna work just fine. So of course, this is going to get a thumbs up for me. So I would definitely recommend this, and it's only $16. You cannot beat that price for a medium to buildable full coverage foundation. So I think Colourpop did a good job. So it gets a thumbs up from me. This is a pretty good wear test. It's been 5.5 hours. It's held up well. I'm not super oily, even though I did prep my face with a little bit of powder from Fenty in my T-zone area, and I'm a little oily, especially, yeah, definitely here in my T-zone area, but it's not that bad. So it gets a thumbs up for me. Let me know if you guys are going to pick it up. I really, really like it. And I'm sure in this heat, it'll probably hold up pretty well. So your girl is out. Let me know if you're going to pick up this new foundation from Colourpop. And until next time, your girl TeeTee is out.